everything that keeps me alive. I can't do it else tonight. And look the double fire inside. And this world is cruel. You love and you lose until your steps. And all my life, all my life, all my life, yeah, I've been told. And that's how it goes. Yeah, but you gotta find out your road. And who needs no peaceful like these when I need them? They don't come, no, they don't got the reason, the demons, they don't know. Got it on the turn it to my life, so control. But that's how it goes. Oh, that's how it goes. And that's how it goes. And that's how it goes. And that's how it goes. Ich bin sehr froh, hier zu sein. Ich bin Zoe Wees. Schweiz, was geht ab? Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's have fun, okay? I won't apologize for being strong. I won't apologize for knowing what I want. Breaking free from the chains of the man's will speak up when they call me a bad girl. I won't apologize, my attitude, it's just a product of what you put me through. Breaking free from the glass and the ceiling. I was built to rely on my feelings. Keep on moving on. Stop telling me I'm wrong. 'Cause you are. If you think I'm too much, baby, good luck. I guess I'm not easy to please. If you think I'm too much, then you're better off with less of a woman than me. When you're with me, I don't feel it's true. No, the audacity to tell me I'm too much. Then go find somebody less of a woman. You're less of a woman than me. And you can criticize the how you want. I know you wish and I was platinum blind, but this body of mine is a sacred to be changed for your own entertainment. Keep on moving on. Stop telling me I'm. 'Cause you are. If you think I'm too much, baby, good luck. Guess I'm not easy to please. If you think I'm too much, then you're better off with less of a woman than me. When you're with me, I don't feel it's true. No, the audacity to tell me I'm too much. Then go find somebody less of a woman. You're less of a woman than me. If you think I'm too much, maybe good luck. I guess I'm not easy to please. If you think I'm too much, then you're better off with less of a woman than me. When you're with me, I don't feel it's true. The audacity to tell me I'm too much. Then go find somebody less of a woman. You're less of a woman than me. Less of a woman, less of a woman than me. Less of a woman, less of a woman than me. Less of a woman, less of a woman than me. Less of a woman, less of a woman than me. Let's go have fun. How we feeling? Took a shot in the dark just to know where we are. I've been running since yesterday. Run 3 words in the sun so that you'd understand. I'll be here when they fade away. But all I need is your love again, your love again. Red and peace when I just can't feel like we're on the edge, we're on the edge. How Nothing makes me feel as strong as you. Baby, I move mountains just to show I love you. Took a shot in the dark, gave you half of my heart to show you the symmetry. I know it didn't come easy, but I'm hurt that I feel it. It's always in front of me. But all I need is your love again, your love again. Nothing beats what I just can't feel like we're at the edge, we're at the end. I'll be moving mountains, mountains for you. Baby, I move mountains just to show I love you. Nothing makes me feel as strong as you. Baby, I move mountains just to show I love you. No, just to show I love you. Just to show I love you. Let's go! Baby, I move mountains just to show I love you. Just to show I love you. Let's go! Baby, I move mountains. I'll be moving mountains, mountains for you. Baby, I move mountains just to show I love you. Nothing makes me feel as strong as you. Baby, I move mountains just to show I love you. Vielen, vielen, vielen lieben Dank. Ich bin Zoe Wees, ich bin sehr, sehr, sehr froh, hier zu sein, sehr dankbar. Geht's euch allen gut? Ja? Habt ihr Lust auf Emotionen, auf Party, auf everything? Let me hear you louder. I know you can. There we go. There we go. Der nächste Song ist ein Song, der mir sehr persönlich ist. Ich habe den geschrieben, als ich das erste Mal in meinem Leben meinen Vater gesehen habe. Ich bin ohne Vater groß geworden. Meine Mama hat mich alleine großgezogen. An dieser Stelle ein Applaus an alle Alleinerziehenden. Well done. Ich bin sehr, sehr stolz auf meine Mama. Und ich wusste mein Leben lang nicht, wo ich herkomme. Ich wusste nicht, warum ich so aussehe, wie ich aussehe. Als ich meinen Vater mit 16 das erste Mal und das letzte Mal gesehen habe, habe ich mich verstanden. And I was okay. Und hat diesen Song geschrieben. And I hope you like it. And for 16 years it was me and my mom picking me up when I cried. And it hurts like hell every day that you're gone, and another part of me dies. Yesterday we were nothing but strangers, and now you're standing there at the door. How I hate that I look like your daughter, can't look in the mirror no more. I don't wanna cry these tears, but my daddy's sad. Concerned about all these years just to say goodbye. Oh no. All the birthdays, all the worst days, every Christmas, you were missing all the Christmas. You're missing all the nights you never sing me to sleep. I don't wanna cry these tears with my daddy's eye. Not tonight, no, not tonight. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Let's go! Vielen, vielen Dank. Der nächste Song ist auch ein Song, der mir extrem viel bedeutet. Meine Konzerte sind immer ein bisschen Ups und Downs, weil ich habe viele traurige Songs und damit identifiziere ich mich am meisten. Ich liebe es, Sachen anzusprechen, die man vielleicht nicht so gerne anspricht, weil sie nicht schön sind. Aber wenn keiner sie anspricht, dann wird sich auch nichts verändern. Und ich habe diesen Song geschrieben, als ich in London war. Ich war sehr jung, ich habe gerade mit Musik angefangen, wurde einfach nach London geschickt, to write songs. Und er wollte aufgeben, wollte nicht mehr. Und ich bin sehr, sehr stolz auf mich. Aber damals hätte ich niemals gedacht, dass ich so weit schaffe, mit meiner eigenen Band hier vor euch zu stehen. It's a blessing. Hurt
Ich weiß, den nächsten Song kennt ihr wahrscheinlich. And if you know the song, singt so laut mit, wie ihr könnt. And don't disappoint, okay? It's called Girls Like Us. Let's go.
Stuck here in these waters, so sick to my stomach. Is anybody there? Red lights in the darkness. Everyone's so heartless. Does anybody care? It's so hard to explain with your heart in a cage. Only whisper, but you wanna shout. 'Cause the second too much pressure to take. Every part of you wants to cry out. It's time for girls like us. We don't know who we trust, not even the ones we love, 'cause they don't know. Try to love this pain, 'cause we don't wanna get hurt again. Love alone out in the rain, they don't know. They're ruin the walls. Don't she beautiful, staring back at me, watching my heartbeat out, trying not to freak out. Let me hear you sing, okay? It's hurtful. Not even the ones we love, 'cause they don't know. Try to love alone out in the rain, they don't know. It's hard for us, for girls like us, girls like us, they don't know. It's hard for girls like, there we go, girls like us, they don't know. Let's go! So, and it was my life when it's not like this. It hits me hard, hits me hard. To play it cool, but it's trying to bruise, to break my heart, to break my heart. It's hurtful, all of us, we don't know who we trust, not even the ones we love, 'cause they don't know. Try to let's go! It's hard for us, for girls like us, girls like us, they don't know. It's hard for us, for girls like us, girls like us, they don't know. It's hard for girls like us, they don't know. Girls like us, they don't know.
Vielen Dank, Schweiz, ihr seid so krass. Ich bin so froh, hier zu sein. Ihr seid so krass, so laut, so pretty. Ich sehe auch bekannte Gesichter, ein bekanntes Gesicht auch da. Hallo. Ein sehr, sehr starkes Mädchen, was sehr viel durchmachen musste. She's right there. That's for you. Applaus für sie! Der nächste Song heißt 21 Candles. Der ist sehr ruhig, langsam, aber means so much to me. Ich freue mich, dass ich den mit euch teilen darf, dass ihr hier immer noch steht, trotz Regen, trotz Wetter. We're still having fun. Danke euch.
Hoping I'll find you in the ocean I'm dreaming. Right before you disappeared, you had to set fire to the family tree. Instead of leaving me with all these questions, you should have only been a goddamn parent. Days turning months, turning years, hoping I would find you. I've been 21 candles, wishing that you would come back, but you must have cursed me with bad luck. Think I'm done wasting my breath, 'cause on every birthday I'm asking you, I send the words away. 21, after 21, I am done wasting my breath. I'm glad we met, 'cause that showed me we've got nothing in common. Just go ahead and keep calling me the problem. I put the nail in the coffin instead of leaving me with all these questions. You should have only been a goddamn parent. Days turning months, turning years, hoping I would find you. I burned 21 candles, wishing that you would come back, but you must have cursed me with bad luck. Think I'm done wasting my breath, 'cause on every birthday I'm asking you, I send the words away. I'm 21, after 21, I am done wasting my. I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. 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 Vielen Dank, Schweiz!
Vielen, vielen Dank. Seid ihr noch gut drauf? Let's go.
I feel lonely with everyone around me. I might not be on purpose. You greedy 'cause I'm famous, but you don't really know me. Yeah, you think my life is easy. I knew you let me down. I needed you to ground me. Gave you what you like, I let you inside. Gave you what was mine, second best to burn. Even when you cry, it's all in my day. Oh, when I'm so tired, no, I can't keep this up, girl. I could cut you off, no, I'm not doing you a favor. But I'm someone I just met a traitor, baby, 'cause a traitor. I can feel you sitting, you were licking out my hand, girl. You were so much story for a couple $100. Using every inch of me so you could have the cover. Stranger, 'cause of danger. I can feel you sitting, you would lick it out my flip just like a switch. Turn on you just like every other bitch. Get a lit, but you don't care about the cars. And the truth is you're so loyal to you now. You look at me when they come running with the jet. I didn't work this hard to never get it back. And if you're thinking how we grieving what we love, you must be dumber than I thought. Gave you what you like, I let you inside. Gave you what was mine, second best to burn. Even when you cry, it's all up right there. Oh, when I'm cause no one would do you a favor. Been around so unhashed, but a traitor. Baby, cause a traitor. I could feel shitting you and licking on my hand, girl. You was on my story for a couple $100. Using every inch of me so you could have the cover. Stranger, cause a danger. I could feel shitting you and licking on my
Vielen lieben Dank. Ich habe euch gesagt, ich liebe es, über Sachen zu reden, die man nicht so gerne hört. Der nächste Song ist ein schöner Song, aber nicht so ein schöner Song. Ich habe den geschrieben, als ich aus meiner ersten Beziehung gekommen bin, wo ich sehr viel Gewalt erleben musste. Und ich will nicht, dass Leute weghören. Ich will etwas ändern. Ich will eine Stimme sein für Menschen. Ich will... Dankeschön. Ich will Menschen helfen. Ich mache Musik, seit ich klein bin, singe ich, nerv meine Mutter in meinem Kinderzimmer. Ich liebe Musik, ich liebe es zu singen. Mein Leben lang habe ich gesungen. Und dass ich jetzt eine Stimme sein darf für so viele junge Menschen auch, um etwas zu verändern, means so much to me. Sehr, sehr viel. Vielen Dank. Der Song heißt Hello Again.
To control you and to serve your pockets. When all you kept in there was this promise. If you ever left someone who wasn't right for you, always trying to avoid a conflict, always blaming by the twist and logic. Whatever boundary you cross it, nothing that could break me or break free. Hello again, but I couldn't take it, but made it. Hello again, I swear that it was killing me, like nicotine sleeping with you. I will never forget, break me, oh break free. Hello again, never let someone break you back again. Always covering up, so exhausted, getting used to these things happening. He's just smoking gas, not dropping. Never stayed with you, stay leaving. Always longing for a taste of freedom. Getting sick of all the silent treatment. Without healing, no healing. Nothing that could break me won't break free. Hello again, but I couldn't take it, but made it. Hello again, I swear that it was killing me, like nicotine sleeping with you. I will never forget, break me, oh break free. Hello again of who I am. And then you break me, oh break free. Thought I couldn't take it, made it. I swear that it was killing me, like nicotine sleeping with you. I will never forget, break me, oh break free. Hello again of who I am. things that I do when you're not around. I wanna know if you can handle the way that I hold you down. You give me something that I need right now. Hey, you go for a good time, but I can live with it. See you getting upset, but can't you give me love with no strings attached? Don't you ever ask why I ain't making no promises. You got me tonight, I can show you happiness until you come back. Save your tears for another bitch. No, I can't lie, so don't ask why. Take a look in your eyes, thinking I'll be the one you can have for life. Slow down, I don't mean to be rude, I just wanna lie. You touch your body, makes me fantasize that you're not forever, and I ain't your wife. See you getting obsessed, but can't you give me love with no strings attached? Don't you ever ask why I ain't making no promises. You got me tonight, I can show you happiness until you come back. Save the tears for another bitch. No, I can't. So froh, hier zu sein. Ich habe euch gesagt, meine Konzerte sind ein bisschen Ups and Downs. Ich habe jetzt einen ruhigen Song, wird danach Party. Und dann, glaube ich, kommt der Song, auf den wir alle warten. Dieser Song ist ein Song, der kam gestern raus, am Freitag. Und ich bin sehr, sehr froh, dass ich hier sein darf, den performen darf. Es ist einer der ersten Male. Ein paar Mal habe ich schon performt, but seid nicht so, please bear with me, okay? Der Song heißt Learn to Love. Der ist rausgekommen gestern mit Dean Lewis zusammen. Do you know Dean Lewis? Of course you do. Let's enjoy, okay? Nimmt gern jemanden in den Arm, den ihr liebt. That's so cute. So much love. Let's go. I was never understand, then end up shouting things get out of hand. That's if love her, but we won't work like that. Is that what we are? Is that what we wanted? It's probably not. They're tired of listening cause we've been bad news. I'm gonna be wrong no matter what I do. I let myself down choosing you. Still we are, still we wanted. Looks like a chapter might have come to an end, but the story goes on and on. It's been 2 years for trying to wanna let you down. I hate to say goodbye, feels like I failed you now. No, my intentions weren't to break it, but we stumble and fall. I still gotta learn to love. I tried to make it work, been running aimlessly. Your love has been a curse, your pain's been killing me. No, my intentions were to break it, but we stumble and fall. Cause I still gotta learn to love. I've read so much, now I can. You're so pretty. Things got too rough, I swear I did my best. Us being too young, I just confirmed my guess. You I failed you, no, my intentions weren't to break you, but we stumble and fall. 'Cause we still gotta learn to love. Oh no, no, my intentions weren't to break you, but we stumble and fall. 'Cause I still gotta learn to love.
Für den Song holt eure Taschenlampen raus, auch wenn's hell ist. Let's make this moment beautiful and let's have fun! Eure Taschenlampen. Let's go.
So let's light up the sky. And I know that there's love in this club, 'cause we got us tonight. Gotta lose, gotta hold, let it go, baby, we can light up. Hey, we could get drunk, we could die over this life. Yeah, we can light up, hey, we could get drunk, we can die over this life. Fell off the vibe, lost myself for a hot minute. You brought me back to life. You got my soul playing now, I don't care with it. You got the hottest vibe. So let's light up the sky. And I know that there's love in this club, 'cause we got us tonight. Gotta lose, gotta know, let it go, baby, we can light up. We can get drunk, we could die over this life. Yeah, we can light up, we could get drunk, we could die over this life. Yeah, we can light up, hey, we could get drunk, we could die over this life. Yeah, we can light up, hey, we could get drunk, we can die over this life. Sometimes I can overthink, baby, I know you're the same. This could all be gone from us in a blink. So we can't waste time, gotta get up, get the whole damn crowd, and we turn up when we won't look down, and we sing loud, singing real, real loud. No, so let's light up the sky. And I know that there's love in this club, 'cause we got us tonight. Let me see your fire. Hey, yeah, we can light up, we can get drunk, we can die over this life. Yeah, we can light up, hey, we could get drunk, we could die over this life. We can light up, we could get drunk, we could die over this life. Hey, we could get drunk, we can die over this life. Let's die up for this life.
Grüße gehen raus an Felix hier.
Hello, bye-bye. Don't need you with me tonight. I'm good, I'm fine. My head is on mine. No games, no lies. I put all this shit to the side. The things that I do, boy, you can never. 'Cause at the end of the day, I'll do it better. This thing that I got it forever. Such a dream, I'm in the center. 'Cause at the end of the day, I'll do it better. I like the feeling that I feel when I'm next to you. But when I'm sleeping, baby, yeah, I'll sing it through. From start to finish, I know I didn't come to. 'Cause at the end of the day, I'll do it better. Ooh, 'cause at the end of the day, I'll do it better. Ooh, 'cause at the end of the I do it better. Hello, bye-bye. Don't need you with me tonight. I'm good, I'm fine. My head is on mine. Hello, bye-bye. Don't need you with me tonight. All day, all night, and that's how I'm spending my time. No tears, no fuss, no one to make me cry. Hello, bye-bye. with me tonight. My heart is so bad. I do it better, do it better, do it better, no. 'Cause I do it better, do it better, do it better, no. I do it better, 'cause at the end of the day I do it better.
Wir sind jetzt beim letzten Song. Es war mir eine sehr, sehr große Ehre, für euch zu spielen. Danke, dass die hier stehen, immer noch hier stehen, mich unterstützen. Danke an das Festival, dass ich hier sein darf. Mir ist das eine sehr, sehr große Ehre. I love my life. Thank you so much, guys. Before we start the song, let me introduce you to my band, okay? Yeah. We got Taka on the piano. We got Zoe on the bass. And zu guter Letzt, we got Carlo on the drums. Und wir haben uns. I love you guys so much. Vielen, vielen lieben Dank. Let's do Control. Let me hear you sing, okay?
Early in the morning, you still get a little bit nervous. Fighting my anxiety constantly, try to control it. Even when I know it's been forever, I can still feel the spin. Oh no. Hurts when I remember and I never wanna feel it again. Don't know if you get it, 'cause I can't express the thankful I am. That you are always with me when it hurts, to know that you'd understand. 'Cause I don't wanna lose control. There's nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath and spinning out in space, pressing on my chest. I don't wanna lose control. Sometimes I still think it's coming, but I know it's not. Trying to breathe in and then out, but the air gets caught. 'Cause even though I'm older now and I know how to shake of the past, I wouldn't have made it if I didn't have you holding my hands. Let me hear you say, okay? 'Cause I don't wanna. There's nothing I can. Trying every day when I hold my breath and spinning out in space, pressing on my chest. I don't wanna lose control. I miss you to know I would never be as strong without you. You've seen how I've grown, took all my doubts, 'cause you. Let me hear you sing. 'Cause I don't wanna.
There we go.
There's nothing I can